Box Trade X is offering a $20 no deposit bonus in a form of USDT, which is a cryptocurrency, and I just want to give you few information that you may find very useful, and everybody can receive this. There is no country restrictions, and all you need actually, you just need to understand the information I'm gonna read for you on the blogger here, and probably after that you guys can also join and just get that $20 no deposit bonus. It's quite simple and we don't really have to go through a lot of things. As you can see here, they're just explaining you information, and probably I should give the link to the website here down on the first comment. And if you arrive here first before I put it there, just comment asking for the website so I can drop it right there on the first comment. As you can see, Box Trade X $20 crypto no deposit bonus. And firstly, they are telling you that you have to verify your information, your client area. So I'm gonna read for you information. The bonus type is cryptocurrency in a form of no deposit bonus or welcome bonus. It's still unlimited so far. We don't know when it's gonna expire. It seems like it's gonna live for some years from here. And as you can see right here, all you have to do actually just have to register and to download and install the Box Trade X application. Once installed, you have to open the application and register using your email or your phone number, enter the invitation code, which is 4T. Like I'm gonna press 3. Also probably just put the link there. You can also copy the link down here, guys. The link is just right here, and you can also copy the code here, the 4TAGLEDX, and then you have to verify your account. You have to verify your email and phone number. After successfully registering, you have to log into your account, verify your KYC, and then by uploading your identity, which is probably a national ID or a passport, and then a selfie with you holding your documents. And all the information are right created here. After successfully verified, after the asset menu, select the trial funds, and then a menu tab bonus is ready to trade. And they are saying that you can receive this for trading. You have to make sure that you connect the app with Google Authenticator app, which is a two-factor security, guys, and then they will add you the $10 as stated above here. So the withdrawal here, information on the withdrawal, the bonus cannot be withdrawn, but all profit can be withdrawn, a minimum of $5 and the maximum of unlimited. So there is unlimited profit here to withdraw, and that's possibly a very nice thing to do. A deposit withdrawal is actually cryptocurrency. We only use cryptocurrency here. You just need to have probably 2 wallets. One wallet, you can also be have Trust Wallet, or you can just have Coinbase or other cryptocurrency wallets that you prefer. The terms and conditions here, you have to trade the bonus only. Gridbot will automatically sell all coins when closing an order. Promotion may change anytime. We know the information, and the regulatory information are given down here, guys. So you can just come straight to the website and read for information yourself. I'll post the link down in the first comment, because it will be better if you are reading for yourself than being told by somebody out here. The information is quite enough here, guys, was provided, and you can see the company registration information is all here. The regulation, the MSB Money Service Business, Box Trade was granted a US MSB license on February 9, 2022, which is actually this year. This is the registration number, and as you can see, the contact information, they are right here provided, and the website, the official websites are also provided right here. So as long as you are not depositing anything, I'll find it convenient for you to join and grab that $20 or $30 no deposit bonus. Just grab that amount of money, because it's just better than doing nothing. So actually it adds up to 30 USD no deposit bonus, and you can grab that right away. Thank you guys for watching. Just ask for the link if you didn't find it on the first pinned comment down in the comment section.